I believe I am currently live and properly audible through this live session. Let me check it out first. Just give me a minute. Let me check out whether I am audible properly or not. Okay. Just a minute. Let's check out whether the sound is good or not. Okay, I believe it should be more than enough. This much voice. I don't have to speak loudly, I believe. Okay. Alright, let's go. So let's start with the session for today. And today is 22nd of November 2024 and it's around almost 12 o'clock in the midnight, just 5 minutes left. So let's start with the basic introduction for today. Now, as I have told before in the last video today, I have cleared the preliminary examination of the IBPS PO. So for that, congratulations. And it was totally unexpected because I was not able to give my best while giving the preliminary examination that day because of having lack of sleep and little bit of fever while giving examinations. And after returning from examination, I had fever for almost 2 days, so it took me a little bit of time to recover from it. And the thing is that I was totally not expecting to clear the preliminary level of this IBPS PO examination, and because of that I was not fully prepared for this. And as the things go says, when as per the Murphy's law, as you already know, Murphy law, most of you might know this, that as for the Murphy's law, if anything can go wrong, then it will go wrong. So back of the mind, not even a single percent I was having this thought of getting this examination cleared. But when things you don't expect, things happen. So that's the thing. Somehow it's end up being the Murphy's law or related something like that. But anyways, I was preparing for the Union Bank of India local banking officer, which is quite the exam pattern is very much similar to the IBPS PO means level. So anyways, things somehow ended up lining up. But that's it for that. And for now I have almost 7 days left, almost a week. So in this week I will try my best like always, and I will try to revise as much as possible. No new things, just revision of whatever I have practiced. So today in the evening I attempted a descriptive paper for the English section, for which let me check out the result. I will directly tell it. Okay, where is it? Here, it should be right here. Just a minute, it's loading. So the descriptive writing paper that I have given today for the IBPS PO means, which is the English section. For the essay writing, I had scored 12.65 out of 15 marks. And as for the letter writing, I had scored 7.58 out of 10. Now the thing is that there's a lot of spelling mistakes it is picking up, but it should not be, because these are just the names. So like whatever my name is, it's taking as a spelling error, so because of that a few marks has been deducted. But still, out of how many marks? 25. 20 plus 15, 10 plus 15, 25. Out of 25 the cutoff is expected to be 10 marks, so I should be able to score at least more than 10 marks, like 15, at least 15 marks should be able to score. if things go in my way. Yeah, and as for the English mock test, I have not appeared for any other mock test for today, but I will start from tomorrow onwards, because today I was you know checking out things like how it should be, what time I should do things, and what are the things that I should be focusing on. So it took me a little bit of time, but still I was able to organize myself properly today, and because of that I somehow ended up starting the things sooner than I expected, because I was actually planning from tomorrow, but still it is what it is. So tomorrow is 23rd of November, and from tomorrow onwards I will try to so complete the current affairs in the morning part, yeah, in the day part, for English and current affairs, whatever time it should be feasible. And in the from evening onwards I will try to run it through the maths and reasoning section, because those are the yeah, this should be more than enough, the division in the morning and almost till afternoon, English and current affairs. Then second half of the day should be the reasoning and maths. This is the most efficient distribution of time and subject, because it consists of total of 4 subjects. Descriptive writing is just there, so it should be counted in the English section also, so that's not a problem. But the thing about descriptive writing is that I have to read a lot of things as for articles and things like that, major topics. So I have to focus on that, and other than that I don't think there's anything left for me except appearing for the mock test for the English mains. No new things, just mock test for English mains. I will try to give mock test in the early morning, and later on I will try to go through whatever current affairs I should be able to do. So there's a few topics that I should focus on while preparing for current affairs, which includes banking and finance, then there is national news, then there is government schemes, then there is book and authors. As much as possible book and authors, no need to stress out too much on the book and authors. And other than that, economic and financial awareness, banking awareness is also included, I believe. Yes, science and technology, government schemes. So these are few things that I should focus on. Instead of going through everything, I should try to focus on these particular things, because to be precise, it should be much better. So the first thing that I should focus on is the most important current affairs for the last 6 months, I believe. November, I will try to cover till the second or third week of November, I believe. It should be feasible till that. Other than that, I don't think much would be come. So till 2nd of November, it should be fine. Second week. So I will focus till second week of November. Then there is October, September, and as per my knowledge, I should focus mainly on October, August, July, like June, July, August, September, October, November. These are the 5 months. So from June onwards, I will try to focus mainly on those October, August, and July, I believe. From where it is, okay, May, June, July, August, September, October, May, June, July, August, September. Oh, it is what it is. So I will try my best, because not much can be done in 7 days, but very much can be done in 7 days if proper revision is implemented. So for how many months government schemes is here? July, June, till July. Schemes, government schemes, these are very important, I believe. A lot of things, schemes, national schemes, state schemes, October, September, August, May, June, 2184. 184. So there's a lot of things that I should cover. Schemes. Swachh Bharat Mission. It was from October, I believe. Yes. Swachh Bharat Mission. Then Cruise Bharat Mission. Dharti Abha Janjatiya Gram Utkarsh Abhiyan. Then National Mission on Edible Oils. National Anubhav Award Scheme, Humsafar Policy, PM Gati Shakti Master Plan. These are national schemes from month of October. Then there is state schemes. Mukhyamantri Nijut Moina scheme. This is from Assam. Green Meghalaya Plus from Meghalaya. Jal Jagar Initiative Maya Samman in Yojana. So let me match it up with this. So there is another scheme, Make in India flagship scheme. Then launch Jal Hi Amrit scheme under Atal Mission Water Management Confederation. Minister to Prime Minister internship scheme. Yeah, this is also important, internship scheme. Then Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission. It was launched in 27th of September. So if it was launched in September, why is it in the month of August? Prime Minister Jan Arogya Fisheries. Everything is, what should I say, jumbled up. Narendra Modi Swachh Bharat Divas. Deen Dayal Department of Drinking Water Sanitation. Gati Shakti Master Plan. Renewable Energy Notified. Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana. Now extend SART scheme. SART SCBTS. ठीक है. Regional Connectivity Scheme उड़ान और देश उड़े देश के हम नागरिक 21 अक्टूबर. I remember this Udan scheme. Then there is the Udan 2.0 was also there, I believe. It also was in the last examination, but I was not able to attempt it because of, I don't know why. I will try to do the schemes through. Yeah, and there's a lot of PDFs going around. Weekly October PDF, I believe, from this one. Government schemes should be here. RBI government schemes. There's no index in this, that's why it's causing a little bit of problem. But still, I will try my best to check out in the like this is the international news. Yes, then there is the national news. National news, I believe Desh Vallabh. After national news, it should be the government schemes, if I remember correctly, or else things would have been messed up already. Defense Ministry MOUs, Memorandum of Understandings. State news. So where is it? Schemes here. Udan scheme for 10 years. Government to extend Udan scheme for 10 years. I don't remember what was the okay, so it is on page number 100. Let's go. That's page 100. Why is it no page? Wait a minute. Page marking is not added here. Oh my god. Okay, here's awards. Before awards it should be. Here it is. Schemes, government extend Udan scheme. Okay. I believe it is here. I have to read everything as much as possible. So there is the thing. Rajya Vishit Yojana Haryana implements. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma launches Nijut Moina scheme. Assam Chief Minister Nijut Moina scheme to provide monthly financial assistance to increase girls' enrollment in higher education and fight child marriage. The scheme targets girls students from higher secondary to postgraduate level in government and government-aided institutions. Complementary to free admission scheme, it complements the existing free admission scheme by providing additional financial support. Monthly assistance, higher secondary first year 10,000 annually, graduate level 12,500 annually, postgraduate level 25,000 annually. Assistance will be provided for 10 months in each academic year. The funds will be transferred via direct benefit transfer DBT. Okay, so for me to complete everything, I will have to go thoroughly all the 128 pages. Yeah, that's a very bad thing because I will try my best like always. So I have downloaded the first week of this month, November is already being downloaded, so I will try to read it here because there's no other way for me to. I have not taken any printout yet, so because of that I have to do this. So weekly PDF only. Banking and finance. Number 1, Deutsche Bank infuses 5,113 crore to boost Indian operation. Deutsche Bank injected 5,113 crore into Indian operation, largest capital infuse into the country, in growth and expansion services across corporate investment and private banking. Corporate demonstrate the bank's long-term commitment to India. With this fresh capital, Deutsche Bank regulatory capital for its Indian branch has increased by 33% to nearly 30,000 crore. Almost, is a lot. Okay. I am missing something right here. Okay, I need something to hold it. I believe this should work because it's shining out. It's reflecting too much. this is creating a problem. I should do it like this. Yeah, it should work much better this way. Yeah, this is the best way. Okay, number 2, IFC invest 400 million in Bajaj Finance. International Finance Corporation IFC has partnered with Bajaj Finance Limited to invest 400 million reason to boost India's climate finance initiative. The investment will expand financing for electric vehicles, efficient energy efficient consumer goods ECG, women-owned micro enterprises. International Finance Corporation is investing 400 million in Bajaj Finance as part of 1 billion fundraising effort. Bajaj Finance anticipates a four-fold increase in climate loans for over 150 million in 2024 to 600 million by 2027. Okay, that's a lot. Number 3, Paytm launches UPI statement download. One97 Communication Limited (OCL), which owns Paytm, has launched a new feature allowing users to download UPI statement directly from the app. Aim to enable users to access the monitor their financial transaction for any date range or financial year. Format PDF format. SBI launches Innovation Hub in tie-up with APIX. So SBI has launched SBI Innovation Hub partner APIX, global collaborative platform, innovation platform for financial institutions and fintechs. SBI Innovation Hub provides a dedicated space for fintech startups and innovators worldwide. It will also help to design next generation financial solutions tailored to meet the digital needs of SBI's diverse customer base. Care Ratings gives CRE Ratings gives AA rating to Karur Vyasya Bank's fixed deposit scheme. Karur Vyasya Bank KVB has been assigned A1 plus rating for its short-term fixed deposit aggregating 12,000 crore. AA rating stable for its fixed deposit. Ratings by Care Ratings CRE. A1 plus rating indicates a very strong safety level for timely payment of financial obligations with the lowest credit risk. Okay, so A1. Karur Vyasya Bank fixed deposit scheme. Okay, I will going through this first, then later on I will try to okay, it should be fine, I believe. Let me check it out first once again. IBPS. It's not out yet. That admit card is not out yet for mains. AA rating denotes a high degree of safety for timely service of financial obligations with very low credit risk. Karur Vyasya Bank established in 1916. Headquarter Karur, Tamil Nadu. MD and CEO Ramesh Babu. SBI Mutual Funds gets RBI approval to acquire 9.99 stake in Karur Vyasya Bank. Okay. SEBI permits mutual fund to invest in foreign scheme with exposure to India. Okay, SEBI permits mutual fund to invest in foreign schemes with exposure to India. Securities and Exchange Board of India (SEBI) has authorized mutual funds to invest in foreign funds and unit trust exposure up to 25% exposure to Indian equities. Okay. Aim to expand the investment options for domestic funds. Particularly in prominent global schemes, including passive funds that provide diversified market exposure. Then, if an overseas mutual fund or union territory unit trust. Oh my god, why am I confusing this? UT means unit trust. Exposure to Indian equity exceeds the 25% threshold. A 6-month observation period will be initiated for monitoring portfolio rebalancing. During this period, Indian mutual fund cannot make a new investment in the breach fund. Mutual fund may resume investment in the overseas mutual fund unit trust only when the exposure to Indian security fall below the 25% limit. Then number 6, RBI make change to KYC norms to align with money laundering rules. RBI Reserve Bank has made changes to KYC norms reason to align them with recent amendments carried out in the prevention of money laundering, maintenance of record rules, and revised certain existing instructions. According to the amendment of the Master Direction Know Your Customer KYC Direction 2016, regulated entities REs will have to apply the customer due diligence CDDD customer due diligence procedure at the unique customer identification code UCIC unique customer identification code UCIC level. Then amendments have also been made regarding CDD customer due diligence CDD customer due diligence procedure and sharing KYC information with the central KYC registry CKYC are central KYC records registry. Central KYC record registry is an entity which receives, stores, safeguards and retrieves KYC records in the digital form of a cluster. IRDAI proposes changes to ISC meeting frequency notice period structure. The Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India IRDAI Insurance Regulatory Authority Development of India IRDAI has recommended changes in how the Insurance Advisory Committee IAC Insurance Advisory Committee advises it on regulatory matters. Proposed norms. The Indian Insurance Advisory Committee will have flexibility in the number of meetings it conducts. It will use the financial year instead of calendar year. Indian Advisory Committee comprises members representing various sectors including commerce, industry, agriculture and consumers, along with the chairperson and members of Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India IRDAI as ex officio members. The IAC Insurance Advisory Committee allow circulation of meeting notices and agendas to its member in less than 7 days, subject to chairperson approval. Renaming the designated officer as secretary to the authority. Reduce the notice period to 24 hours for convening an emergency meeting and adding provisions for the resignation and removal of Insurance Advisory Committee members. Number 8. SBI economist सी Q2 अरे बाप रे बाप इतना पेजेस है 3rd पेज में पहुंचे अभी तक बाप रे दिमाग खराब हो जाएगा ये लैपटॉप को बंद करना पड़ेगा SBI economists see quarter 2 GDP growth slowing down to 6.5% this fiscal. SBI saw quarter 2 real GDP growth slowing down further to 6.5 in the September quarter of the fiscal year 2024-25. It can be noted that the April-June 2024-25 period saw the real GDP expansion by 6.7%, the lowest in 15 quarters. The SBI Innovation Hub was launched in partnership with APIX. APIX. SBI Innovation Hub was launched with partnership of APIX. Okay. SBI Mutual Fund becomes first to surpass 10 lakh crore AUM, outpacing ICICI and HDFC. Why am I getting tired? Yeah, why am I getting tired? Because I had not slept in the afternoon today. But anyways, let's proceed with the next number 9. CSB Bank unveils SME Turbo Loans. Name of product: SME Turbo Loan, launched by CSB Bank. It is a new loan product in principle sanction of credit amounts up to rupees 5 crore, aim to streamline the lending process by leveraging a scorecard based approach for faster underwriting facilities such as overdrafts, term loans and trade finance. About CSB Bank: founded in 26 November 1920. Headquarter is at Thrissur, Kerala, India. MD and CEO Pralay Mandal. Number 10. Cash-free payment secures NPCI certification for UPI switch certificate. If I remember correctly, I was going through this cash-free today. While I had attempted the general awareness mock test today also, for which unfortunately I had scored only 6 marks, for where the cutoff was around 12, I think. Anyways, I had attempted a decent amount of questions, out of which I got most of the wrongs. No, I got 10 questions right, but very many questions wrong. Okay, next is cash-free payment secures NPCI certification for UPI switch service. UPI switch service certification from NPCI certificate to cash-free payments benefit. This will allow cash-free to directly integrate with any bank's core banking CBS means core banking software, and offer a higher transaction success rate for its merchants. Cashfree has built this switch in partnership with NSDL Payment Bank as the sponsor bank. Equitas Small Finance Bank introduces self loan. Name of product: self loan, launched by Equitas Small Finance Bank, aim to support small businesses in meeting financial needs. The initiative leverages internet-based financing to streamline loan access and aims to reduce the risk of financial frauds for users. Okay, there's a mosquito going around here, I believe. Where is it? It has been disturbing me from a lot. There it goes. As you can see, dead. Now this feels like something, because it's been biting me for a long time and I was not able to destroy it before. But anyways, let's move further. The 11 was Equitas Small Finance Bank introduces selfie loans to small businesses in meeting financial needs. The initiative leverages internet-based financial services to streamline loan access and aims to reduce the risk of financial fraud for users. Loan types available. It offers various secured loans without requiring income proof. This includes loan against property, home loans, merchant overdrafts, new and used car loans, commercial vehicle loans. About Equita Small Finance Bank, it was founded in the year of 2007. Headquarters is at Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. MD and CEO is Vasudevan Pathangi Narasimhan. That is quite a long name. Well, let's move on towards the 12th one. IDFC First Bank offered real-time tracking of money sent abroad through SWIFT. IDFC First Bank initiative to offer a real-time tracking service in association with SWIFT for money sent abroad. The bank partnered with SWIFT to offer this service, claim First Bank to do. The service is available on the bank's mobile application and internet banking platforms. The RBI permits resident individual to send money abroad under the Liberalized Remittance Scheme (LRS) for various purposes like maintenance of close relatives, gives education, medical and investment in equity and property overseas among others. Under the LRS Liberalized Remittance Scheme, a resident Indian is allowed to remit up to US dollar of 2,50,000 per year, per financial year. Apollo Green Plans 2025 IPO aims for rupees 10,000 crore portfolio. Apollo Green Energy Limited, AGEL, part of Apollo International Group, on Tuesday said it is preparing for an IPO next year. Firm is set to build a 10,000 crore project portfolio by 2025. MOSP advances release of IIP CPI data by 90 minutes. Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation MOSP on Tuesday announced the advancing of release time for macroeconomic data, consumer price index CPI. Banks form panel to take up bar on overlapping bills. यार मॉस्किटो काट रहा है. इसको कल पढ़ते हैं भाई. मच्छर काट रहा है. नींद भी बहुत जोर से आ रहा है. दिन में सोए नहीं है, इतना तकलीफ हो रहा है, बट पढ़ना तो पड़ेगा ना. So the thing is that I will try to, complete the current affairs in the morning or in the afternoon, because in the early part of the first half of the day, that way I would be able to put less strain on my eyes as well and not feel sleepy in the night. So here's the distribution. English and current affairs in the first half of the day. Then in the second half of the day should be the maths and reasoning and maths, whatever time it is feasible for me. And after dinner I will sit for 3.5 hours or 3 hours and give a full length mock test. So that's the plan for the next 7 days. So let's get on it. Give it absolute best. It is what it is. First chance, last chance, no regrets.